Hey guys, today I have my hands on the GRECELL power station. So this bad boy is over 1100 watt hours and is 2200 watts. So this is a main power source, station source. Like, you can literally charge your electric car. Shoot, you can do all this, read all this. We got phone, camera, mini fridge, laptops, all your basics. Also, let's say the grid goes down or something and you need it for your house, you can literally charge like things, use it for like in your house in case of a power outage there, which I think is just amazing. So let's just unbox this bad boy and see what it looks like. Okay, you have your manual. Here it comes with some accessories. We'll look to see what accessories come with the bank. Nice, absolutely beautiful. Nice. Okay, let's see. Oh, there we go. All right, so the battery came at 68%. That is a very good indicator that the battery is good. If your battery comes flat dead, then you know the manufacturer didn't keep up charging it, because a flat dead battery is a really bad sign. You're gonna have a lot of problems with the battery after that. Okay. We have double prong, three prong, double prong, three prong. So you have 4 outlets here. Then we have a DC input. This one should go for your solar panel hookup. You can charge it with your solar panels. We got DC output. So you know, if you have the car charger cigarette lighter. Then you can charge your phone with that. And then if you have a cigarette lighter input, we can see what we got here. You can put it in your car and plug it to this, and you can charge the battery through your car. So that's cool. Then we have your basic outlets, you know, iPhone. There's probably a couple other things that uses that. You have your basic USBs up and more. Then that's great. Once you can do 4 of those at one time. That's pretty cool. Okay. Let's see, on this side, we have an input. All right, so you can have an attachment to where you can plug it in your house and charge this from like your house to keep the battery charged. So that's, I think, what that port is. And let's see, like if you're gonna go, you know, on a trip or something and you need it charged, plug it right into your house, get it nice and charged, then go on your trip. This is a light. 1. All right, a 3. All right, 3 setting light. It's pretty good, pretty standard. Okay, well, let's look at the accessories. Let's see what it comes with here. Okay, so this is, you hook that there and you can charge it through your car. So this is your car charger. This is the solar panel charger, and this is the wall charger. Cool. But you would probably want to look into your manual and see what other things you need. If you've got an electric car and you need an accessory to be able to charge your electric car, you probably want to pick that up. So it comes with these already. And then you have your manual, and you'll be able to read all about your battery. But this one's awesome, and I'm super excited to put it to the test. I have a pretty traditional test that I test these batteries with. It is heating up my water for my coffee. I know that sounds super basic, but when you're pulling that power from this to heat up your water, you know, that's a real test for a battery. So I will do that in the next video, and I will post that and give you an honest opinion about it. But for now, the GRECELL battery bank looks freaking awesome. This is a power station, like your main one. So All right, see you on number 2. Video number 2.